All right, here we go, kids. So, right now we are doing a test of our new audio setup. I might be adjusting a little bit of things as we go through. I just want to check out how we're doing. So, you can see here we're Studio 9 Multimedia, and I got my monitor on the left that's going to be giving us the controls over everything. And so here we go. Primary display is on, and we are going to get right into it. So here we go. So right now we're working on music from Found Sounds. So for example, if we were to arm a track here, excuse me, I could hit record and hello, good morning, how are you? And if we play that back, hello, good morning, how are you? We can then create a new instance of Simpler, for example. So if we go over to our instruments and choose Simpler, we can simply drag it over, get a new instance there. And we are going to drag our audio from here where I just said hello. So if I want to rename that, I can do so. So we'll just call it hello. Okay, and I'm going to make sure that I pull it from the slot right to the Simpler. Now, if I play this back using my MIDI keyboard, I can play it, and it's pitched. So if I want to turn that up, I can do that by moving the volume a little bit. So I'm going to select just the beginning here and shorten so the attack's going to be right at the top. Okay, and now if I want to add some effects, I can go to Audio Effects, and I'm going to put a flanger on it. Okay. So I'm going to record now into a track. So here on the Simpler, I'm going to record. Here we go. Hello, good morning. How are you? Hello, good morning. Now, I didn't need to have that hello track playing, but here's what I've got in our piano roll. So you can see I've got some notes here. Now I'm going to make this so that it's just a single bar loop. So I'm going to move the loop brace to right there. So that's going to be our first part here. I'm going to duplicate that. And for the second track, I'm going to go over here and let's do a reverse. So now it's going to be the opposite. Okay, so we've got two things going on there. And let's duplicate again and try inverting. So let's see, we've got this one and we're going to invert. Okay, so now we've got the first version, the second version, and an inverted version. Okay, so now what we can do is we can come over to, let's make a drum rack. And here we go. Here's our drum rack. We've got some samples in here. Let's see. We're going to arm it. Okay. So I'm going to make a simple little beat to begin with here. So I'm going to stop this track. Okay. So we're going to quantize that a little bit. Let's listen back. So I did not like how that turned out. I'm going to quantize that differently. So I'm going to change the quantize settings to eighth notes and hit apply. And let's see, we want to get those. Okay. All right. So let's say that we want to put these few things together. So okay. So let's record out this song and play a little bit. Let's just try it out. Let's probably mute this microphone so I don't get feedback. Let's see how that works. All right. So hopefully that isn't super echoey, but yeah, I could hear that I was choking on the bandwidth. So I'm going to go to my options, go to preferences, and I'm going to make this buffer size a bit bigger. So let's see. I've got to do that. How do I do that? I think I got to do that somewhere else. Hardware setup. There we go. I think that's right. So let's put this back to maybe there and see if we, okay, close. It says quit all such okay. Well, guess we'll have to do that a different way. All right, anyway, I'm going to test and play back and see how this goes.